Hey guys, just wanted to show you. This is the worst snowstorm we've had in quite a few years. And I just tried to use our backhoe to clean our driveway. That's usually how we do it. That's why there's some snow drifts and some big tire marks. Go ahead and show you. I am freezing. Feels like my pants are drenched through with snow. Thankfully I had gloves on and a heavy winter coat. It's all bundled up close to my head. Got the hood up, zipped up as far as it will go. Still too cold. Just hoping I didn't get myself frostbite. But no, you can't really say too much. I don't know why I just said that way. But I know you can't see it too much, but there is a crap ton of snow. And quite a bit of it was moved. I mean, down towards our driveway, you could see that I cleared it up as best as I could. It's a pain to try to use that backhoe and figure out just how high to set it, the bucket, to not dig into the driveway. I mean, you can see I got it a couple different times. I got it to work, but it's definitely not an easy process when you don't know how to really, plow that much with a snow plow. You can see still quite a bit of snow here. Quite a few inches before you would really start actually scraping into the driveway. I know a couple of times I got into the grass, because I know right here, it's definitely into our yard. So, yeah, it's this is definitely not a fun day, that's for sure. And it's supposed to be like this the rest of today and tomorrow. I don't even know where the driveway is without it not being like this, or markers. I don't know. Now I see why people struggle with that. I know I went up into the yard up in here, or maybe I didn't. No, so I should be in the drive. Granted, this is a little bit of wider of a peak, but yeah, even the roads are pretty bad. It's hard to keep up on. So, thanks for watching. Hey guys, don't know how well you can hear me, but you see, we got quite a bit of snow. Wind is really bad. They said we could get up to 80-mile-an-hour wind gust. But we have to shut our driveway is. You can't even tell there's a driveway. You don't even know where the yard and the driveway is. Yard starts somewhere about where that post is there. So you can faintly see it by the front bumper of my car. And the yard is just a little bit past, starts about maybe here on this side. But you can't really tell that, eh? I just shoveled this for the third time today. You already you're starting to, lose track that it's been shoveled. I'm just trying to keep it clean so it's less work, but it's just gonna get bad again. I already shoveled it, but you can't tell. So I gotta shovel all of this in front of my grandparents' garage again. So yeah, guys, snowplow's out yet. He's still at work. Poor dude. As far as I know, my dad's still out plowing. He's been out all damn day. Feels so bad for him. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.